Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to play chess and get better using Chatgpt. Chess is a strategic game that has been played for centuries and can be both challenging and rewarding. If you are new to chess or looking to improve your game skills, then you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Here are the steps to play chess and get better using Chatgpt. Step 1. Learn the basics of chess. It's essential to understand the basics of chess, such as the movement of each piece, how to set up the board, and the objective for the game. For instance, each player starts with 16, including pawns, knights, bishops, rooks, queen, and a king. The goal is to checkmate your opponent's king, which means the king is under attack and cannot escape capture. Step 2. Practice openings and endgames. Next, it's vital to practice openings and endgames. Openings are the initial moves of a game that can set the tone for the rest of the game. Endgames are the final moves of the game when only a few pieces remain. ChatGPT can help you learn different openings and endgame strategies, such as the Rue Lapis opening, the king and the pawn versus the king endgame. Step 3. Analyze your games. Analyzing your games is a crucial step to improve your chess skills. ChatGPT can help you analyze your games by providing feedback on your moves or suggesting better moves. It can also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and provide personalized types to improve your game. Step 4. Play against ChatGPT. Finally, playing against ChatGPT can be an excellent way to practice your chess skills. ChatGPT can adjust its difficulty level to match your skill level, making it a perfect opponent for players of all levels. You can also play against ChatGPT online with other players, enjoying chess communities to learn from other players. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to play chess and get better to using ChatGPT. Remember to practice, analyze your games, and have fun. See you soon.